Documenting an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good afternoon, Gromy. Today is Sunday, May the 9th, and it's time to get after it. Got a little zucchini right there, so she throws that bloom out. Won't be long, we'll be eating that sucker. Hell yeah. Alright, enough dilly-dallying. It's time to slay a dragon. Let's do it. Okie dokie. Fuck, I should have looked. I only got 19 minutes of record time, so I'm going to be doing a lot of starting and stopping. I'm going to get it in one video. Alright, I'm taking these off. Taking this node off. I might want to save that and try to make a clone, huh? Let me stick this bitch over in this jar for right now. Maybe we'll make a clone. My first dragon clone, what do you think? Alright. I've already been softening it up a little bit. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Rushing around for a camera. I'll be pissed. I'm going to get her started. I'm going to get her going over. And I'm going to stop this fucking video and get my scrog ready. Fucking white butterflies flying around already. Lovely sight. Alright, I'm going to let her dangle with the angle right there for right now. And get my scrog net ready. Back in the flash. Wee doggy. I don't know if you ever heard the old saying, never let them see you sweat. Well, I fucking didn't. I'm going to tell you right now, I was fucking sweating. I had to take that damn jug there and prop it up underneath this thing to keep it from crumpling over while I was getting my scrog net together. We're getting somewhere now, though. Super crop like a bitch. I'm not going to do any more to her today. Let her do her thing for right now. Got her wired up right there for right now. Have to keep her from fucking crumpling over and laying over on the side of the pot. We're ready to get it. 2 nodes. Hell yeah. I'm going to be chasing this bitch around for a while, Grummies. About 6 months worth of chasing. Alright. We slayed the dragon. And let's go see what we can do with the fucking spawn of a witch. Back in a flash. Look at that motherfucker. Oh boy. Time for IPM. You bastard. Okie dokie. Oh. If I fall apart like a $3 watch because you watch me, I'm going to beat your fucking ass. God damn it. Here we go. No gone. I'm going to soften it up and bring it over and I'll bring you back. Never let them see you sweat. Sweet baby Jesus. Sweating like a hoe in church. I forgot to bring my damn jug over here. I brought my damn plant up. Got a little hard on her. She'll be right though. We'll get me some, go in the house and get me some damn honey and painter's tape. Split the bark on her a little bit right there. She'll be alright though. She'll be alright. Whew. That was rough. Whew. Still got to fucking find some balls, man. balls or hairs or something. I'm gonna hold on to the calf's other one too, because it's bigger than this one. We'll see how it grows. I gotta still water these kids up. I don't do this kind of stuff to them after they've been watered. I'd rather than be thirsty and limp, bending shit up, than have them all blowed up and puffed up full of water. Hey, doggy. Give me a second, kids. I'll be back in a flash. I ain't forgot about Miss K's ride. I got plenty of time to get it ready. Harvest moon, you'd liable to see her at 10,000 feet. Like a shooting fucking star, baby. You better lock your windows, boys. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking with you, Kay. Maybe. Whew. All right, let me show you my little tape job. Let me put Kay's ride away. Okie dokie. Shoot, I ain't eat up that much video time. I could have kept y'all in the game a little longer. You could have actually watched me sweat a couple times. Yeah. She'll be okay. I'm gonna go water all these kids up. Got thunderstorms and shit coming Monday. So I don't have to worry about anything out here. Water everything outside good today. And the only thing I have to worry about is dragons and whatever little bitties I got left in the my little 10x10. Have a fantastic day, Grummies. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.